Hey everyone, I'm going to make rice paper rolls. I'm going to show you a short and easy way to do it. First step, pour yourself a little glass of red wine. Just start and onwards and upwards. Here we go. We have a clean bench. Keep that bench nice and clean. Clean cloth, new cloth. And have I've got some chicken pieces here, which I've already fried. And I fried them in teriyaki sauce. And I'll just chop them. I just fried them in a little bit of sesame oil and olive oil and teriyaki sauce. So just cut that up. Got some cucumber slices already ready to go. Okay, I'm really cheating here and I hate the plastic. I normally chop my own carrots, but this is if you're in a hurry. You can always buy this stuff. It's beetroot and carrot and I think it's zucchini. Not sure. But anyway, it's going in it either way. And for the next thing, I'm coriander, this is my favourite. Spring onion and mint. And I know a lot of people that don't do this. Oh, and just some spinach leaves. I put pineapple in it. That's why I have pineapple and mint together, and it is absolutely beautiful. Okay, I have to tell you, this is really cheating, and it's nowhere near as good. Tin pineapple, I know, but it'll do for today because I don't have any. Fresh pineapple and vermicelli noodles. So this is everything and we are away. I get one of these out the bag and normally I used to have a bowl of water and I used to sit the bowl here, but it just took up too much space. And I would rather just do it on the run. Run it under the tap for a minute, not even a minute. I'm going to time myself. I'll be back. And I also have a clean paper towel. So I just stand at the tap, run it under for a few seconds, give it a shake, drip it, and just let it drip the water off onto there. And then I'll sit it there on my clean bench and I'll make it in front of me. I'll be back. Okay, so that was about my timing myself, 8 seconds, 4 seconds on each side. And I just drip dried a little bit, put it on the bench here, grab my noodles, spread them out. If you want it to look pretty, I'll actually put the leaf under the noodle so you can see it when you roll it. What am I going to put next? I'll put cucumber. I'll put some of this dried up carrot mix from the horrible plastic bag. Here's some mint. This is my favourite part. Mint and the pineapple. And I will, geez, that knife's not very good. Okay, I'll put the pineapple in the mint. And then I'll put the chicken on top. Like so. And what else am I missing? Coriander. I love coriander, so I'll just use a lot of it. Okay, fair bit of coriander. Look, you can put really anything else you want in it. I've got spring onions. Have I got one cut up? Little bit, yep, spring onion in there. And then I just get it and roll it like this. Just like that, turn that in, turn that corner in. It's really sticky. And roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Ta-da! And look at that. Now, I've got 2 homemade bought dipping sauces. I really like this one, but it's very sweet. And this one, I think, is similar to what you get when you buy the takeaway rice paper rolls or the ones that I get in my area. But you can also make your own dipping sauce. And maybe I'll have to show you on another time how to make a dipping sauce. So there you go, guys. Let me try it for you. Okay, I've cheated. I've already had half of it before I got to show you what I was actually going to do with it. I'm using some of this dipping sauce, and I've got a little bit left, so I'm going to try it for you so you know I'm not going to just poison you. Oh my god. So good. I can't talk with my mouth full. I need my wine. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, and hopefully next time you'll get to see how to make a real dipping sauce. Well, that's real, but homemade dipping sauce. Homemade's always much better. Ciao for now. Enjoy.